Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, we will be learning how to zoom in on Picsart. Zooming in on Picsart is simple and can be done easily. First of all, open up your Picsart application on your device and click on the See All option at the top left. Choose a picture that you want to edit from your device's camera roll, or click on Background at the top right and choose an image from the free background or any other background options provided by Picsart. Once you select an image, go ahead and use your two fingers to pinch in and out from your screen. Spread your fingers apart to zoom in and pinch them together to zoom out. This method should help you zoom in on any part of your image or the area that you want to focus on. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.